Hi, I'm Terry Olson, and this is my solar installation with Energy Advantage. So I'd recommend solar because, being a hippie, I believe in, taking care of the earth. And when I did the math, as energy prices go up, I'm just going to keep saving more and more money. So my experience working with Energy Advantage was fantastic. Throughout the entire installation process, they were in constant communication with me. I don't think a week went by where I didn't receive a text telling me what was going on next. I think the biggest challenge during the installation process was the weather. So, March is a pretty snowy time up here in the Rocky Mountains. A couple things happened. One, they got their truck stuck here. So, I took them down some shovels and we dug them out. And we still had some snow up here on the main roof. And they came up here with shovels and shoveled off the roofs. They cleaned up everything out here. I never found a single piece of cardboard or anything else, even during windy days. It was pretty impressive. The guys that came out here and did the installation and got on my roof, they were down-to-earth people that I could sit down and have a beer with. They were just completely professional. I would give Energy Advantage a 10 out of 10. Just fantastic.